Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. To maximize profit, find the ideal number of workers to hire when the hourly wage is $9. Let's begin. First, remember that a profit-maximizing firm will keep hiring labor until the marginal revenue product equals the wage. We need to find where that value hits $9 per hour today. Next, we calculate the marginal product for each additional worker by looking at the change in total output. This value multiplied by the price gives us the marginal revenue product easily. The fifth worker adds enough value to cover the $9 wage. Therefore, option E is the correct answer for this economics problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps carefully.